Hey everyone, I hope you all are doing great in your life and in your studies also. So in this video, I will discuss the mains preparation sources which you can use because many prelim sources are available, but for mains the aspirants are very confused. So in this video, I am going to discuss all the sources like the free and paid sources which you can use for your mains preparation. And right now there is 85% discount going on Guidely's bundle PDF course in which they are providing daily practice questions for prelims and mains both. Okay, you can use their PDFs for daily practice, and there is a 50 days plan. Plus in this PDF they are providing the mock test also and ultimate bundle PDF, and separate PDFs are for separate examinations, so you will not run out of questions anytime in your preparation. And they have video solutions also. If you have any doubt in any question, you can always watch the video and clear your doubts. The link of this 85% discount is given in description, and by using my code you will get 12% extra discount. So now I will discuss about the mains preparation sources, and it will be a short video, so do not worry about that. Okay, first of all there is quants. So for quants there are two sections, DIs and mains level arithmetic. For DIs I will suggest you to go for 365 DI playlist by Harshal sir. Okay, it is available on YouTube freely and the level is very good. I also followed his DI videos, like half the playlist I completed before my PO mains examination, and the questions are really good. Like if you find those type of questions in your examination, then you will feel confident, you will be able to attempt those questions. Plus for DIs always use mains mock test. Always go for the mains mock for your DIs, because the DIs given in mains mock are of a really good level, and this is the best source to prepare your DIs, as in mains you get half the marks from the DI section only. So it is really important, and it is very important to follow the genuine sources. Then there is arithmetic. For arithmetic I will always suggest you to revise your notes plus mains mock questions. I also followed this because in arithmetic our basics work rather than the questions. Our basics work. If we are able to use our basics in any question, then we will solve the question. Okay, and then mains mocks are also there, so there is no need to worry. Just keep revising your notes, and in any topic if you are weak, then please try to practice questions of that topic, and after that just rely on mains mock test. Okay, if your basics are clear, then mains level arithmetic is no hurdle for you. Then there is English. So for English RCs I will suggest you that there are many websites available, and there is like bundle PDF courses also of Guidely, and plus there are, if you will write PO mains level RC, you will get many free sources. Okay, and for this you can use the free quizzes also which are available in many platforms, and there is mains mock test. Plus there is Nimisha ma'am's special classes are also there. Okay, she also takes the special classes for RC, and they are also good because you will know the strategy to solve mains level RCs. So this is also really important. Okay, and for RCs your approach really matters, because if you will solve the RC with a good approach, then you will be able to solve it easily. Then there is miscellaneous English questions. Okay, the miscellaneous type of questions, the new pattern, match the following, these type of questions are there in English, and for these type of questions always rely on the mains mock plus quizzes. Like practice mock also provides the free quizzes, so you can go for that also. The free quizzes provided by different platforms plus mains mock, do not forget. And after that you can use the classes also. There is lots of material available, but you have to follow the genuine ones. Okay, and I am trying to tell you the genuine sources which I have also used, and I am suggesting you because these sources are genuine. If an average guy or a girl prepares for the examination, then these are the genuine sources which he or she can use. Then there is reasoning, and for reasoning I always used mains mock test for mains reasoning. Okay, I always used mains mock test. Plus for mains level puzzles I used 1000 puzzle classes of Ankush Lamba sir. 1000 puzzle classes were there, and after that Like after completing around 20 to 25 puzzle classes, then there is no need to do the classes, because you will know the basics of puzzles, and then you will solve mains level questions from the mains mock test, and you are good to go. Plus you can solve topic wise questions of miscellaneous reasoning, because in miscellaneous reasoning we need speed, and after solving topic wise questions you will get the speed if you are lacking in any topic. Okay, and for this topic wise questions online PDFs are available. Just Google once. Okay, just Google once and there will be lots of PDFs available. Just Google it once. So that is it. And all the material is available, be it free or paid. All the material is available. You should be smart enough to use it in your strategy, and in a smart strategy. Okay, which works for you, and which by analyzing your strong and weak areas, and you will definitely clear the examination. Do not worry, these exams are not that much tough that you are thinking. You just need to find the right questions and the right approach to solve the questions. So that is it for the bank examination, nothing else. Your strategy really matters, your approach of solving the questions and approach of going to the questions, that really matters. So that is all, and I wish you all the best for your examination, and I wish you all the viewers of this video clear the exam, any exam which you are targeting. So I wish you all the best. Thank you.